Hello everyone. Today I woke up with an exciting news from OpenAI. They released a text-to-video model, which is mind-blowing. So I would like to have a look at it together today. I haven't gone through all of the videos examples they shared. Let's do it together then. This is the main page. First of all, the name of the model is Sora. Let's scroll down and we can see the first video. So this is a stylish woman walking down a Tokyo street, wearing a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boobs. This is amazing already. The background looks amazing. It seems perfect. Nothing is changing drastically. And yeah, the woman seems perfect as well. Well, there are some weird things happening, like the legs, for example, that looks weird while she walks, or the hand, for example. Look at that. But if we go ahead and we look at the details, the face, it's kind of perfect, and consistency is wonderful. Let's have a look at another video. This is stunning, honestly. It's really beautiful, I think. Look at the level of details, like the hand as well, the eyes. And this, the waves, like if you didn't tell me it was an AI video, I would have never said that it was. The waves are perfect, and the panorama looks just beautiful. As you can see, the prompt is really simple in this case: historical footage of California during the gold rush. Would you have said it's an AI video? I don't know. I think we are getting to a level where we cannot distinguish between what's real and what's fake. Look at these eyes. It's just perfect. Also, the shadows inside the pupils are perfect. Let's have a look at this video. Here the perspective is not the best. You can see here very small people and then it gets huge. The hands still not perfect. Look at that. So this is a reflection in the window of a train traveling through the Tokyo suburbs. This seems to be Amalfi Coast. It's a town in my country. Looks just stunning. Obviously it doesn't look like that exactly, but it's very similar. The octopus with a crab. We can see some weird stuff happening with the tentacles of the octopus. So the model has deep understanding of language, accurately interpret prompts, and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. Can create multiple shots with a single generated video that accurately persists characters and visual style. Yeah, look at that. Like, it's focusing on something and that something remains the same. Details, features. Honestly, the pavement, it's amazing. Perspective here is strange again, I feel. Yeah. But look at the trees. Look at the consistency of the background. This looks like the future. Nice. So here they're showing some model weaknesses. So we can see that the model struggle with complex scenes and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. A person may take a bite out of a cookie and the cookie may not have a bite mark. The model may also confuse spatial details of a prompt, mixing up left and right, like in this case, the guy running on the treadmill on the wrong side, and may struggle with precise descriptions of events that take place over time, like following a specific camera trajectory. Here as well, we can see all of these dogs multiplicating from nowhere. Let's have a look at this. Oh, yeah, as well, this is kind of weird. It explodes and then another one is coming out, but it's passing through the net, I don't know. This is interesting. Archaeologists discover a generic plastic chair in the desert. And then the chair is floating. Let's have a look at some research techniques very quickly. Sora is capable of generating entire videos all at once or extending generated videos to make them longer. You can actually also create videos from an existing image, animating the image contents with accuracy and attention to small detail. Sora builds on past research in DALL-E and GPT models. It uses the recaptioning technique from DALL-E 3, which involves generating highly descriptive captions for the visual training data. So the model is able to follow the user text instructions in the generated video more faithfully. Yeah, so I think this is really mind-blowing. This Sora model is amazing. I'm not sure when we'll be available to use it. Probably will take a little bit of time. And yeah, if you want to read more about this Sora model, you can go into the OpenAI website, and then there is also this technical report in here, which can be useful if you're interested in technical details. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye.